MeghalayaPost.news.
Who is Rohit Prasad? Who is Rohit Prasad?
Let everyone know. Let everyone know.
Let everyone know.
Not as writer, he is a technical. He's already did that all technical things for the university. All technical things.
As per
And
the
already-
rules, where is it written to appoint him? Show us. Show us the rules written to appoint him.
already
Is he already a subject?
already sold in public. In the message, already has gone in the public. Press conference already given you have.
No, good sir. One thing is that we have lost confidence in your leadership. As of now, we want you to step down. Please, please. Please, please. Please, please. Please, please. Please, please. You to step down. Yes. You to step down. That's only our demand. As long as you don't do any of the students who is doing this on the side, it's upon you, sir.
It took you almost 50 hours to come out and to discuss all these matters, sir. We have been sitting here without eating for the last 50 hours, sir. And it took you 50 hours to constitute this executive something, whatever your administrative duties, sir. What were you doing? Last 50 hours, what were we doing? We were sitting right in front of your office. You didn't have time to discuss all these things. Sir, with all due respect, whatever decision the administration has taken, we the Students' Union, we are dissatisfied. We boycott such decisions, sir.
This is in our honoring of our appointments. Students Union, long live! Long live! Long live! Student Union!
Ban Pintikana ba kajinki Khankradep ya ka school ba North Eastern Hills University Nehu. Lani ka total lockdown ki Samla Pule ka ni ka school ba kilala ban Khang Sindan da gitala ya ki khrdop ban rong chapok school ba kanthop na do gate 2 gate 3 hadu gate 5. Laban kado ba kajinki Samla Pule da ka ba Khankradep ya ka school ba और बंशात खान क्लेम्पोर्ट बला पलोंग दका नेहू सु बला कृषा नंगरु दका केएसयू नेहू यूनिट कला जामंता कसंगी कबार कजिंगी कलोंग हलोर कजिंगले बम सुन्यो द प्रोफेसर पीएस शुक्ला बरे वाइस चांसलर कने स्कूलबा बनसगाप नि पेनुलोंग याकिमात जिंगदावा बला ओना rik Samla Pule बगंथोप नदु कजिंगदावा हियर शुकी यूवीसी बन वेंकम याकितु किबला शुथुंकम सब बत किबे La sakhiru bakani kejingki shong syatkan kabla kenjo arsengi menta la don katto kaningot kidkhat kan Nehu bar KSU Nehu unit kiblas dang kitlot bat kibla yo yakidrip Nagalang wisi dang hakan rhetoric naiweng la pengsan bo umtre ban syuki newat ban wengkam yakitu ki officer kibla thungkam hanuhu kabla nang penbitar yak Samla Pule
My dear students, first of all, would like to appreciate your feelings. You have already submitted your memorandum on 30th that is related to two important issues of the university. First, about the removal of registrar and deputy registrar along with the OSD and guest house in charge. Everyone is well aware about the situation of the university and also well aware about the rules and regulations of the university. I can remember the discussion with the student union in 2022. They already discussed and told me the university should run with the rules and regulations. I am following that. And today, listen me also. Today, I have already taken two decisions in the interest of the students. Your examination is already scheduled in the last week and first week of the December. And the matter concerned with the 2 points. Would like to even read the decision of the Vice Chancellor along with the Dean of the school and officers of the university. The decision has been taken in the meeting. First of all, I understand that there are some issues raised against these individuals by the student community and they are demanding their removals. The university has some rules and regulations in place to deal with such issues. As a Vice Chancellor, my role is to safeguard those rules and regulations under the constitutional provision. Therefore, I am going to call a meeting of Executive Council to form an inquiry committee within November means 11th November 2024. Because today is only a working day. By 11 November and based on the inquiry report, I will take the action against Deputy Registrar and Registrar of the university, the first. Second point, you are also concerned about the appointment of Pro Vice Chancellor. Since the joining, I was agreed to appoint the Pro Vice Chancellor. Even wrote 4 or 5 letters to Government of India regarding clarification of every Pro Vice Chancellor. Till now, I have not received any reply, but in the interest of the community, in the interest of the students, I am ready to appoint 2 Pro Vice Chancellor, one for the Tura campus, another for the Shillong campus. Shillong means university campus of the Shillong. University campus is already Shillong. So for the Shillong campus. And definitely the appointment of Pro Vice Chancellor will take, because there are some system. And in this week, we have only, this week, last week, coming week, we have only 3 working days. One is 11, 12 is already holiday, and 13 and 14th is working day. I am trying my best to appoint the Pro Vice Chancellor in between 3 days. But would like to request all of you, kindly give me minimum 10 working days with next week also.
So the thing is that you have been here for 3 long years, and now you're asking just 3 days. We have been asking for the vice pro VCs for 3 long years. Where was the decision? And now you're taking this just because we are sitting at the demonstration.
You first, listen first.
And on top of that, as you are speaking about this pro VCs, they are already in the Act and Statute. Why do you have to write letter to the ministry for the approval? It's already there. How can you appoint an advisor in which you cannot appoint the pro VCs? You can do always on your own. Have you write a letter? Show us on regards with the advisor.
And what rules and regulations you
You said you're going with the rules and regulations.
Yes, yes.
Show us the rules and regulations on appointment of the advisor as well. Show us.
I will advisor. I don't have any advisor.
No, you were there last year. Rohit Prasad.
So who is Rohit Prasad? Who was Rohit Prasad, sir?
Not Rohit Prasad.
That is not sanctioned post,
That is not a sanctioned post.
in which you have to extract money from the university money itself, from the university's fund. And from time to time we have came to you with the regards to the issues of the student. You're saying that you don't have money, the university doesn't have money. But your appointment of those advisors, all you have to take the money from the university. Who is Rohit Prasad? Who is Rohit Prasad?
Let everyone know. Let everyone know.
Not as advisor. He is a technical. He's already did that all technical things for the university. All technical things.
As per
And
the
already-
rules, where is it written to appoint him? Show us. Show us the rules written to appoint him. Is he already a subject?
already sold in public. In the message, price already has gone in the public. Press conference already given you have.
No, good sir. One thing is that we have lost confidence in your leadership. As of now, we want you to step down. You to step down. That's only our demand. As long as you don't anything happens to any of the students who is doing this on the side,
one thing, sir.
it's upon you, sir.
It took you almost 50 hours to come out and to discuss all these matters, sir. We have been sitting here without eating for the last 50 hours, sir. And it took you 50 hours to constitute this executive something, whatever your administrative duties, sir. What were you doing? Last 50 hours, what were we doing? We were sitting right in front of your office. You didn't have time to.
He even had a time to go and give a press conference about the situation in our university. Actually, the main thing is we do not have any problem of him going and giving press conference. But the reason is, if the university is burning, if the students are on hunger strike, if there's a problem in your family, instead of addressing it within the family, does it really make sense to go and save your reputation outside? Going for the press conference? He could have at least come back right after the press conference and discuss the matter with us. He would have at least, saved some of our time. Almost 50 hours, 20 members of Nehu along with KSU, we have been sitting out there demonstrating, seeking the response from the Vice Chancellor. It is only now that he realizes that I should go and step out and address the issue. As you must be seeing that some of our members, they were on syringe, they were on saline. And one of our fellow members, she is being hospitalized right now.
Shame!
Given the fact that all this kind of happenings is taking place in our university, and let me tell you all, this is the first time that such a huge amount of support from the students community we are gathering, and we totally respect you all. We know that all of you have the consciousness that it is a high time for us to act right now. And even after giving him such an ample amount of time, for almost 50 hours, what is the outcome? He will not terminate all those illegal appointments, those people who are incompetent, and at the same time he is asking us for 10 more days to appoint pro vice chancellors. So this is a kind of indirect message that for the next 10 days you starve and I'll take action later on. He counted, mind you, he counted holidays in between. So he is not thinking about our future, our health, our well-being. He is counting those holidays in between. Do we really need this kind of leaders, this kind of administrators, this kind of officers in our university? He himself, he is using the services of the university whatsoever he can. He is utilizing our university's vehicle. He is having his luxury at his home, coming on time, using the back door, not coming from the front door, because he is afraid of the students who are sitting out here, that how he will answer our question. You all must have been seeing that the kind of interactions that we had in his office, it was not a very conducive one. It was not a very fruitful one. And despite of knowing the students are not satisfied with his answers, what is this person doing? Going for book fair, attending all sorts of programs as if nothing is happening in our institution. This kind of attitude we do not respect, we do not accept. Let him not treat us as just mere students, just because we are not having equal amount of degrees, equal amount of qualification as them. It doesn't mean that we do not have rights. We have equal amount of rights. We do not deserve this. None of you, none of us, as I've been mentioning since day one, we gain nothing from this. We gain nothing. None of our members. Instead, we are risking our lives, we are risking our health for the future of the students' community. And if the VC cannot take decisions promptly, then I think it's better we don't need him. We don't need him as we have started this hunger strike. We have started this indefinite hunger strike with a note that he shall resign. And let me tell you all that we are not stepping back with this demand of ours. We will continue this hunger strike and we will continue till the end until the vice chancellor. And with this, I would like to inform you all that it is a clear message to the administration, to the government of India, that it is us or him. Us or him. You have to choose the students or this incompetent vice chancellor. It is our humble request that days to come, the better will be more stronger, as you have seen how adamant he is. We don't know for how long we will be able to sit there, but as long as our mental, physical and emotional health is supporting us, we will be sitting for the sake of the welfare of the students. And at the same time, we request you all that we really appreciate you since the day we have set for this hunger strike, indefinite hunger strike. You have been supporting us like anything, and we are really overwhelmed. We appreciate all the kind of efforts that we are getting from all communities of the university, be it the teachers, the non-teaching staff, and especially the students. Let us all give a direct message to the government of India. The university is for students, and if not students, then no university at all. Thank you so much.
MeghalayaPost.news